Welcome back. Tow time. Fixing to yank one. I think somebody's parking in the wrong spot. Anyway, we'll see what happens here. Stay tuned. Hey, what?
Are you trying to take this car?
Yeah, is that your reserved spot?
Oh, no.
Okay, listen, they're gonna call it in every time you park. If you park in these center lines, they'll call it in. Anyway, he's out of state. I don't know if he realized he was even parked there. He acted like he didn't know that was a reserved spot. I guess it's a possibility, but he would have had to walk right beside the sign to walk inside. He just disregarded the parking spot. It belongs to somebody else, I'm sure. Anyway, it's the way it goes. We missed that one. We never got a hook on it, but it does happen. Anyway, off to the next one. Hey, we're back at it, rolling in hot, man. Got a vehicle they want removed. The manager, she don't play around at this place right here. She tells somebody to move a car, you better move it. Or she's gonna call a tow company every time she sees it if you don't get it off the property. Bagged another one. It's about time to go home. Now what's this guy doing? What's going on, man?
My car, man.
How you wanted it gone, man?
This is the
manager. Manager's. It's not on. I understand, but
this is my house, man.
I understand, bro. But you know what it is, man. You know.
It's the oil, the sticker.
Yeah.
This sticker is a.
Yeah. But you got the tag right there. The tag,
the car, man.
Tag's not on the car though.
Yeah.
It's not on the car.
This is the screw, no screw.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is no screw, man.
Yeah. I understand your dilemma, man, but what am I supposed to do? Come over here and not get the car?
Do the car.
I can give you the phone number. There's the number right here. Listen, if you ever have a problem, just communicate with the manager. You need to talk to her. Thank you. Have a good one. We just pulled in down here. We're on the south side, Fairburn and Cascade area. This is not the nicest area. Either way, we're gonna grab two cars. First one up's right here is that gray Passat. But we gotta get the cars. She wants them gone, so we're gonna load. Anyway, stay tuned. Hey, it's not
I
up.
told the people at the front office, they said okay.
It's not up to me. It's not up to me what.
They was coming today. She said okay.
Well, it's not what I was told. We don't just pull up and tow. You know, I just don't pull up and tow cars. Somebody has to tell us to tow it.
Right.
Yeah.
And when they notified us, that's when I let them know.
It's broke down.
Yeah.
That's why they're towing it, because it's been here for a long time. That's why. How many? Okay. Well, that's why. She may have somebody above her that runs the property that's making her tow it. You know, just because she said thought it was okay. If somebody called her, a regional manager, if somebody called her, they could have forced her to tow it. You know, they ain't just trying to be mean. They do what they do because they have to. But that girl said she talked to the manager. She may have, but that manager, whatever happened, that manager told me specifically to get 2 cars and point them out which ones to get. But I wouldn't doubt her story. I'm not doubting the girl's story. It's probably true, but she waited too long. Anyway, stay tuned. All right, thanks, sir. Have a good day, man. Anyway, we're downtown Buckhead's where we're at. We're at the St. Regis. But yeah, this McLaren is going back to motor cars. We just picked up the rolls. The rolls, somebody backed into the rolls and hit it. Also, it was a Phantom, nice Phantom. But if anybody wants to guess in the comments how much that damage on that front passenger side, anybody wants to post in the comments how much they think that damage right there cost to fix, leave a comment down there if you got an idea how much it costs to fix it. Anyway, we're gonna roll. Stay tuned.